Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Wang AJ Tacos. For today's recipe, magluluto tayo ng ricotta cheese plus zucchini. Ayan! So bago yan, eto muna. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to ring the bell. So let's get started. We need zucchini and mint. Ayan. Frozen green peas, pasata, or you can use tomato paste or tomato sauce, 2 eggs, ricotta cheese, mozzarella cheese. We need also lemon rind, frozen spinach. Okay, so i-mash lang natin ang ating green peas using this tool. Ito yung tool na ginagamit ko sa paggawa ng mashed potato. So ayan, i-mash lang natin. Next, break the egg. Ayan. Add the lemon rind. Add the ricotta cheese. Ayan, pagsamasamahin lang yung mga ingredients natin for the ricotta cheese mixture. So next is we have to add the mint, chopped mint. Salt. Ayan, so i-mix lang natin ito guys. I-mix lang ninyong mabuti, lalo-lalo na may egg siya, so you have to mix it well. Ayan. I'm sorry because yung ano ko kasi nasa taas yung tripod, so I'm using my other hands holding the phone in this what we call that, in this video. So ayan. So ito na siya. Don't forget the pepper. And mix again. Okay, so let's set aside the ricotta mixture. Next na gawin natin ay ating zucchini. Ayan, so I'm using guys the mandolin slicer, but be careful your hands because mandolin slicer is very sharp. So ayan guys, mabilis lang. Ayan, so ang easy ng pag-slice kung meron tayong mandolin. Pero kung wala naman, you can use sharp knife or the vegetable peeler. So ayan, pero hindi ko alam yung outcome niya if what we call that, if a sharp knife. Kasi hindi siya ganito ka what we call that, kanipis siguro. Ayan. So ganito lang guys, kasimple. Ayan guys, so ang ganda yung pagka-slice ng ating zucchini ribbon. So ayan, so ni-roll up ko lang siya at ilagay sa isang heavy pot. Ayan. Ngayon, next is yung filling natin. Yung ricotta cheese natin, ilagay natin sa loob ng ni-roll nating zucchini ribbon. So ayan guys, ganun lang kadali, no? Enjoy din ang pagluluto kung hobby mo talaga. Ayan, so ito na yung magiging dinner ng amo ko. Nilipat ko pala siya guys, isang rectangular na baking tray. Ayan, so nasa bottom niya is yung ating pasata or tomato sauce. So ayan guys, so ilagay lang natin, sprinkle lang natin ang ating mozzarella cheese on top. Ayan. So ayan, so i-bake lang natin ito for half an hour. So depende, makikita naman ninyo kung ito ay yung cheese on top na is nagiging brown, golden brown. Ayun, so ganyan lang siya kadali guys. Okay, so let's bake for 30 minutes. Tada! Ito na yung finished product natin ng ating ricotta cheese with zucchini. Ayan. So thank you so much guys for watching again. Sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking mga videos. And don't forget, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please do subscribe to my channel for more recipes, simple recipe. And don't forget to leave me a comment. Thank you so much.